Well, welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to do an unboxing on a surprise. So, yeah, I know this is upside down, but the other side has my address. So I've been looking for this. Had one when I was a kid. One of my favorite things I had as a kid. And then, you know, you move. At least I used to move like every few years, as I was a military brat. And things just... sometimes you had to just throw them away. Sometimes there just wasn't room. But here we go. I have been looking for this. Looking for this. And I found one new in box. Never used. Never assembled. It is the Breyer Sulky, the original Breyer Sulky, new in box. So this is the box. Did not come with the doll or the horse. But here we go. Look. Oh my goodness. So there's the harness. I won't take the harness out because I'm not using that harness. Oh, and look, it came with the original Breyer Animal Creations. Oh, there. Oh, see, we got the Black Stallion and Elk on there. No idea what this is. I think that has nothing to do with this. There's the hardware. I don't know what these are. And then we have the wheels. Isn't that amazing? We have the wheels. Oh, this is just awesome. So, thought it had, has the directions on how to put it together. I mean, this is clearly, oh man, this is awesome. Wow. So, rider's feet go here. The rider there. Look at how the, no idea what these are for. No idea what these are for. Hey, but there's 3 of them. And then there's one of these. No idea what that's for. Never used those. Put back. Get out of here, cat. Put those back in the box. And just put on the wheels. I know they're spokeless because they don't want the horses to get their feet in there, so I know they're not open spoked. Isn't that amazing? It's like, oh my goodness. So yeah, there we go. The original Breyer Sulky. What this means is I can do a pacer harness. That'll be awesome. Let me see. I got one pacer. Yeah, this one right from last year. Beautiful. Okay, so these go up here. That's going to be awesome. So, because I now have this, we can do a pacer harness, which would also work for a trotter, except for the hobbles. Hobbles have a different set of, trotters have a different set of hobbles than pacers. So yeah, we can do that now. We can use her, and we can use this, and we can make harness racing. Awesome. We'll do that. That was a request, and I said I couldn't do it unless I could find a Sulky. Well, now I have a Sulky. Awesome. All right, so thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have yourself a really good day.